Now today I'm just going back on the Reddit. I'm going to have a look at some more stupid haircuts and more advice that people have asked and just see what I can find really. I've had this look for a while, but my hair is unhealthy and I'm bored of the Jesus jokes now. What should I do instead? I would like to keep a bit of length ideally. Someone's gonna say, have you tried turning water into wine? I think if you cut it so it comes down just past your jawline, it would look pretty good. Would also recommend layering to add more texture. Why does everyone it's all compliments on it. Whoa, you're super freaking handsome. What about going with something like one of these? So let's have a look. Right. These are all like Beverly Hills 90210 type of guys. Don't think that's gonna work exactly somehow. Yeah, so he's the guy off Riverdale. Okay. On to the next one. There's no saving you. Shave it off. You're not that good looking. How do I get smooth hair instead of frizzy hair like this? This is right after a shower and conditioner. Nobody's comment. You can't. Your hair is useless. You should shave it off and you will get more women. AKA Vin Diesel. No, I can't spell anymore. There you go. And I can't upvote myself, which is a shame, but next. Need some help in choosing my hairstyle. I like it medium to long and my hair is wavy towards curly. I was thinking of a 2020 mullet since it's been revived. Thoughts and ideas welcome. Thank you in advance. If you get a mullet and you look kind of English or European, I'm not sure about the earring, but you're gonna get battered. You're gonna get your head kicked in, you little. There's no way you should be getting a mullet. There's no way, no way. Unless you go to New Zealand, and even then you're just doing it to like look like something you're not. You should not get a mullet. End of story. I'm gonna tell him this as well. Let's see. Don't get a mullet. It wouldn't suit you. Stick to something smart that would suit a geek. A geek. I'm gonna get banned off here by next week. Oh god. Any haircut suggestions? I have no idea what to do. I'd like to keep the same length. Just chop the whole thing off. Chop your head off. And what is that? Mustache? Your little ratatouille. Like, I'm gonna sexually molest your mustache. You need to get it off. Get it off. And what is that t-shirt? Whatever it is, I don't know what brand it is, but we know it's fake, bruv. We know it's fake. Take it off. Get it together. Lockdown in England and all hairdressers are shut. Tried trimming my beard on my own and I messed up one side. Second pick. What should I do? What's that? What's this? The first pick. Doesn't help anybody. It's literally not that bad. I know hairdressers. I know hairdressers and I know barbers who would do work like that and sell it to you for £20 and above. Just no one's gonna see you. You're in your house on your own. Just chill. It doesn't matter. Shave your head. Do it a bit shorter. Chill out. It doesn't really matter. It's just her. Relax. And you're talking to a barber, somebody who sells that stuff used to sell that stuff for a living. But for now, we all aren't supposed to work. So just relax. Shave your head. Let it grow back. Get something good when the barbers are open. Relax. Any advice what to do in my hair? I'm debating whether to let it grow out or go shorter. I think if you grew it out a little bit and you got some like greasier products, I think you'd look like Ross from Friends. And you would look fine. That's my advice. You are gorgeous. You are gorgeous. You look like Ross from Friends. Grow it out. Fucking out little. There you go. It made someone feel good. Give him an upvote to toilet like this. Go. We'll do a few more. I'm just going to compliment this guy. I don't want to read it. I don't care. But after seeing the guy from Riverdale, I'm going to say, you look like the guy from Riverdale. he's really good looking. And you look like you are in even better shape. You should upload a photo of you shirtless so we can see. Oh. Best thing about this is he can't even respond to me, call me any names for being weird, because you've got to be nice on this forum. Well, kind of nice anyway. School shooter alert! What hairstyle can you suggest for me? Medium cutting. You know what time it is. Time for a medium cut. I went to a reputed dermatologist today for my hair checkup. He told me I have androgenic alopecia free and that it's bad and I might lose all my hair in 3 to 4 years. Well, listen, before I even read all of this, just stop crying on the internet. Dry your eyes, stop crying on the internet, shave your head, and happy days. Oh, there's nothing that's gonna get you any puss. On it, genuinely, them glasses, that I can tell from the hair and how long you've left it. Like there's nothing really that you can do to get any pussy. Oh, hold on, while we're live, I've just got a notification of. So I've just had a notification of this guy. Need some help in choosing. Don't get a mullet, it wouldn't suit you. It's something smart that would. The geek would like. I think number 3. Dippered was a bit short to the bottom, and just controlling that mess so it's not a huge unruly bush. Busy bush. There you go. And I've just helped someone. That's my good deed for the day. I'm out here drinking Nestle water. And before you all think he's drinking Nestle water, he's a tramp. Asda sold out of Evian. Every time they come, they bring me Nestle instead of Evian. We'll be back to Evian soon, but I mean, it's not the end of the world, is it? I mean, I'm still hydrated, whatever, but I prefer Evian. That's me being honest. Right, so let's do one more. No, you're not going bald. Your hairline is fine. You idiot. There's nothing wrong with you. You're just receding a little bit. People are different. This is you got to understand. If we're reading this on the internet, can you imagine what barbers have to put up with? Hey, I'm 16 years old and I see a slight little bit of my hair is like back further than what Zac Efron does on TV. Am I going bald? No, you're not going bald, bro. Relax. Get it together. I'm just gonna say, to scare him, it looks like you may be losing your hair. Try Nioxin to unclog your pores and promote healthy hair growth. You are the man. You are the man still though. I wish it was easier to do emojis. I want to give him a... Actually, I can give him... You know what's mad about these emojis? I've just given him a... Oh, God, I give him a love heart. Anyway, that's it for today. Like, subscribe if you want. We got hair tutorials. We got reactions coming up. Peace.